वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल टी एंड एफ इंफ्रा कंस्ट्रक्शन। आज हम बात करेंगे सक्सेसफुल सिविल इंजीनियर के मोस्ट एसेंशियल स्किल्स के बारे में।
Architectural engineering. AutoCAD drafting, line language, building working drawing by AutoCAD, architectural and structure working drawing, plumbing and electrical drawing, septic tank and rainwater harvesting drawing, plan, elevation, sectional marking and reading. Building by laws and Vastu knowledge. Revit architectural modeling. Create realistic 3D visualization. Final elevational exterior design. Video animation for presentation. Exterior work like a pro designer. Structural engineering. STAT Pro and ETAP. IS code specification, load distribution, beam and column section design, slab design. Project estimation and budgeting. How to construction estimate project. Finalize building material, upper budget, calculate specification wise total quantity of project. Build project cost for loan process as per valuer finalize BOQ bill of quantity for tendering work. Project planning and scheduling. Planning of project. Various types of labor specification, technical staff planning, machinery and equipment planning, organizational chart building. Scheduling of project. As per fund flow of project, as per weather condition, as per labor availability, as per machinery availability. Site execution work. Layout work, township building, footing, column brickwork, beam, slab, etc. Quality controlling as per Indian Building Code, labor management as per site condition. Bar bending schedule. SI code specification, details of cutting, bending, binding, Excel specific formula work. Quantity surveying and rate analysis. Building BOM bill of materials. Building materials as per requirement analysis. Marking agreement with labor contractor. Building rate which is not in SOR, schedule of rate book. Rate comparison with other area or situation. Billing work. Mode of measurement as per SI code 1200 part 1 to 16. CPWD norms of all types of work, item wise contractor billing work, slab rate contractor billing work, IST and final billing work. Materials reconciliation bill, cement reconciliation, steel reconciliation. Price escalation bill as per Economic Advisor of India. Daily work progress report, daily materials consumption report, daily earning and expenses report, daily labor report, daily staff detailing, daily profit and loss calculation.